Y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip that I'm really excited about because I just reviewed another wig by this company and I absolutely love that one. So I'm excited about this one. Go check a few videos back and you'll see it, or I'll probably link it at the end. Boom, it's by Mayde Beauty. And like I said in the last video, Mayde Beauty is one of those companies that have given us some real winners, but we really don't reach for them a lot. But every time I get away from them, it hits. So this one by Mayde Beauty is part of their Redefined collection. And I have it in the style JAYLANI, J-A-Y-L-A-N-A. That used to be one of my most favorite wigs. Who made that? I want to say Bobby Boss. Yeah, J-A-Y-L-A-N-A. I'm sorry, L-A-N-I. And it's in the color H-I Brown. But she comes in tons. She comes in your 1, your 1B, your 2, your 4. She comes in HI 24 karat, which is what that one is on the stock card. She comes in HI amber, HI brown, HI crimson. That's amber on the front. Did they show you the other colors, how they look? And that's brown and that's crimson. It says JAYLANI is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes with a 5-inch wide part. Okay, and it says redefined lace. They don't really specify what they mean by redefined, but it's redefined. Y'all look at this color. This is HI brown. I already cut off the lace on JAYLANI because to save some time, but y'all know that's all I've done because I like to do everything else with y'all. So there's that 5-inch part. I didn't put any powder on that. Okay, so that's that 5-inch curved part, that ear to ear lace, comb to the right and the comb to the left. And she has this pre-attached adjustable band in the wig. So if you struggle with a wig being too big or too, tight on your head, boom, there you go. Okay. She looks really pretty. She comes with baby hairs as well. Okay. And look at that texture. And look at that color blend. Like you getting a 1B, a 4, and that beautiful like 27 looking color. That's really pretty, huh? Okay, Mayde Beauty. Okay. Let me plop her on my head, play around with her a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
Kiss you.
so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. At first when I put it on, I was a little nervous. I was scared, but after I brushed, I was scared. I was fighting for my life. But after I brushed this wig out, y'all, I really like this. If you liked, I think it was Outre made that wig. If you liked Outre Begonia, you would 1000% love this wig. The texture on this wig is bomb. The color on this wig is bomb. The length on this wig, the curls on this wig make this wig bomb. I did have some personal cons that I don't like. It is humpy right up here, so I think you would definitely need to use your hot tool, wet it, tie it down, whatever, because it is a little humpy right there. And also they said this lace was redefined, but I guess it don't look as bad as I thought, but you definitely can go up there and, you know, put a little bit of powder or something on that lace. Minor cons that can be fixed. Is the wig worth it? Oh, y'all, yeah, 100%. Okay, like I said, I got it in I'm assuming that means highlight brown, but I really think that this would be dope, dare I say, in a black, like a 1B. I think that this wig would be really, really pretty. It is, with the top, it is giving me First Lady of the Church realness. Okay, she married pastor, turned her life around. Okay, she used to be for the streets and now she not. Why would I say that? But you know what I mean. Like it's giving very important tease. That's what this gives. Okay, I like it. I really do like this one. This is what, JAYLANI by Mayde Beauty. I'm excited because I'm about to hop into some sensational units, and y'all know how I feel about sensational. They my #1 love affair. Do I think you should pick up JAYLANI? Yes. If you look at the description box, I will see if I can find a link for it on Amazon, and I will post it down there so you can purchase. In the comments, tell me, do you like them? Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie JAYLANI. Maybe it's your Uncle Jimmy. Whichever one, send them to me, and we're going to get them right. Until next time, which will be very, very soon. Bye.